Hey everyone, welcome back. Signing up for the Trump Accounts app and the email or phone verification code never shows up. Here are two iPhone settings almost always blocking it. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open Control Center. If you see a focus or do not disturb icon that is lit up, tap on it to turn it off completely. Focus mode silently blocks text from automated shortcodes before they even reach you. Next, go to your settings app and then search your phone. Scroll down to silence unknown callers, and if this is turned on, switch it off. Since verification text comes from numbers, your iPhone may be filtering out as unknown. Now, check your emails app too. Open your spam or junk folder, click on the three-line option in the top left corner and then scroll down to open your spam or trash folder and search for trumpsaccounts.treasury.government. Since the activation and verification emails come specifically from that address and can land in spam on a first-time sender, go back to the Trump's account app and then tap resend code. Wait a full 60 seconds before trying again, and that's it. All you gotta do is go to the control center, focus mode off, go to settings, phone, silence unknown callers, turn it off, check spam for the treasury sender, then resend the code. It will arrive and that's it. Subscribe.